There's a number of photo hotspots in the world, and one of my favourite is Lamington National Park. It's just at the back of the Gold Coast, and it's a place that offers 135 kilometres of walking tracks, and its rainforests of 4 different types. It's an incredible place for a photographer to come and learn about photography right from the basics. Difficult lighting, difficult subjects. Look how hard it is to get the birds.
Totally didn't know what to expect and was just blown away by how diverse it is.
Birds, birds and more birds.
And this is why we've done the trek today to one of the most beautiful waterfalls, I think, in the world.
It's one of the most beautiful natural areas of Australia. It's just amazing.
In this series, we're going to offer a lot of diversity, both photographically and with beautiful subjects. Stay tuned, watch this. I think will blow you away with some of the best imagery you've ever seen.